तो अब मैं ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लेता, मैं दावत देता हूँ इरफान भाई आपको, प्लीज़ आइए अपने ख्याल का जाए।
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I have 2 minutes, so I'm going to divide my 2 minutes in two things. The first things I want to talk what I got, So it's a very simple, it's very easy to say, you get this, you get that, but there is a lot of struggle behind it, all this. This is the Entrepreneur of the Year award, and I can tell you why it's come to me, 10 years back, I started my company with a very nominal finance with $10,000. This is America, so I want to say that, the opportunities are there, and money is not the part where you can get a success, So in that 10 years, definitely a lot of struggle, lot of, efforts there to me, my family, all my friends. And I was very quiet guy, community only know me maybe 2.5 years back. Before that, I'm a person nobody knows who this Irfan is, So anyhow, struggle goes on. This award came to me, $10,000 investing 10 years back. In 10 years, my company worth is $10 million. Do I need this award? Yes, I need this award. It's not a matter of money. It is a matter of achievement, which I got. And I really appreciate Tarad Bhai that, you recognized me, and it's make me up that I can do more struggle and I can do something for me. Now I'm coming about the other things, As an entrepreneur, I can tell my young kids, young, friends, America is the country where there's an unlimited opportunities, but you have to find, you have to recognize what is your path, what is in you which you can put yourself and get a success. It is very simple if you know what you are, what is your ability, and if you can put those abilities together, there is no way that success is not going to come to you guys, So I will give this lecture to my sons, my daughters, and to my all the, youngsters, This is the country where you can change the world, So now the second thing which I'm going to say, with Tharal Bhai, I'm not a very close to them, very well know, less than a year, but more I know, more I dig. I think I know this guy for centuries. I know this guy from long time. Such a wonderful person, not only a person, he's the person who give a motivation to everybody, Community, Muslims, unity. Not only that, always appreciate each and every work what is going to be done in the community, You will really not find anybody else in DVM who's like a Tadar, So I can simply say, in our community, there is maybe a lot of diamonds, but I can say almost, So Umar knows why I say almost, Almost is another name of diamond. But the Kohinoor diamond is only Sajid Tadar. Thank you very much, Sajid Bhai. You are the best one and you're the only one. Thank you.